You are the only study that you need to listen to. So many people, when trying to change their health, their diet, etc., often look to outside studies to confirm what they thought about different dieting or weight loss techniques and to deny the other things. Sometimes we get a little too pressed into just following this information, which I should say, this is a good place to start if you're unaware on what to do, but it should just be that, a place to start. You should be running your own experiments on what food works best for you, what workout program you enjoy and can adhere to the best, and what lifestyle changes that would make you healthier are actually easy and sustainable for you while other things quite aren't. Because there's a lot of data on different things to do, different things to try, but if they don't click well in your brain, guess what? You're not going to do them. So if you're asking what in the world do I do then, just pick a few things that you can try in your workout and diet routine. I'm going to try this program this month, and I'm going to try doing diet where I religiously count my protein and then don't count any calories, for an example, and then see how it works for you. You may notice that you need to be a little more diligent on other aspects of your diet while you can get away with a lot of different workout programs and they all work pretty well. Experiment, because at the end of the day, you are the one doing this. Unless you are literally in one of these experiments that they do the tests on, you are a different being than those people.